Do you want to get a cybersecurity certification from Fortinet for free? Yes, you share that one. In this video, I will show you how to get the Fortinet Certified Associate Cybersecurity. You don't pay anything. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about network security, cloud security, and Fortinet certification to help you grow your career in cybersecurity. Today, I will show you how to earn the Fortinet Certified Associate Cybersecurity, one of the most recognized certifications in network and cybersecurity, completely free. The Fortinet Certified Associate in Cybersecurity is an entry-level certification from Fortinet, designed for people who want to start a career in cybersecurity or networking. This certification validates your knowledge in key areas such as cybersecurity fundamentals, network security concepts, and security technology used to protect the organization. It's an excellent certification for students, anti-beginners, and anyone transitioning into cybersecurity. There are several reasons why this certification is worth getting. First, Fortinet is one of the global leaders in cybersecurity, and their technology are used by thousands of companies, government, and enterprises around the world. Second, this certification helps you build credibility when applying for roles like SOC analyst, network security, and IT security engineer. And the best part is that the training and certification are currently available for free, which makes it a great opportunity to start building your cybersecurity profile. To get the certification, you just need to follow these simple steps. Click on the first link in the description. It will take you to the Fortinet Certified Associate Cybersecurity page. On this page, you will find the certification overview, who can take it, and the program requirements. To obtain the certification, you need to complete the Fortinet Operator course and pass the NFC 3 exam. Click on the second link in the description. This link will take you directly to the Fortinet Operator course registration page. Here, you can see the course description, who should attend, and the topic covered during the training. At the end of this course, when you successfully pass the exam, you will receive the Fortinet Certified Associate in Cybersecurity certification. To get started, just click Enroll Now. You will need to create a Fortinet Cloud account first. Just click to create account and follow the instructions. Enter your email address, captcha verification, just click here. Get email verification code. An email has to be sent to your email address. Just come here, open the mail, copy the security code, create your password, fill this form to complete your profile, accept agreement, complete. We can use our new account to log in. Security code, after login, you have this page. Now you can go back to the second link. Click Enroll Now. You need to edit your profile. Country, change Cameroon. Organization is good. Job title, you can update. Job title. Student. Okay, can update the profile. Good. Now, to register, just click to library. Next, click on associate. Here, associate. We will see FortiGate operator. Click here. This is our course. Click here again. Now select your language. English. After that, you have the course. Here is the course overview. You have some tips that you can do before start learning. Here you have some instruction how to use the Fortinet Training Institute page. And then you have the course material. It's the different topic. At the end of the course, once you pass the exam, you will receive the Fortinet Certified Associate in Cybersecurity certification. This certification you can share on LinkedIn or in your resume. Now you can learn the course everywhere and anytime.
Welcome to the FortiGate Operator Overview lesson. Click Next to get started.
Are you currently studying cybersecurity or just getting started? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to start a career in cybersecurity. And remember, the best time to start your cybersecurity journey is now.